Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's math class. Now, looking at this question, we have t raised to the power of 2 minus t raised to the power of 3 is equal to 12. How do we solve for all three values of t? Now, let's start. Let's write this equation as t raised to the power of 2 minus t raised to the power of 3 minus 12 is equals to 0. Now, we can say that t raised to the power of 2 minus t raised to the power of 3 minus 4 minus 8 is equals to 0. Minus 4 minus 8 is going to give us minus 12 back. Now, let's now write this as t raised to the power of 2 minus t raised to the power of 3 is equals to minus 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 0. Now, we are having similar terms when you look closely. Now, let's group it. We have t raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2. Yes, and here we're going to have minus t raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 0. So we can factor out the negative sign here. So therefore, we are going to have t raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 into bracket. Here, when you factor out the negative sign, you are going to have minus into bracket. T raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 0. Now, recalling the algebra property, the first one is difference of two squared. For instance, you have a squared minus b squared. This is equals to a minus b into bracket a plus b. And for the one of a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, no, sorry, this plus b raised to the power of 3, we are going to have a plus b into bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now we are going to be using these two properties here. Now applying the first property, we are going to have t minus 2 into bracket multiplied by t plus 2. And on the other side, using the second property, we are going to have minus t plus 2 into bracket multiplied by t squared plus, sorry, minus 2t, and we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4, right? Everything equals to 0. Now, if you look carefully, we have common terms, which is t plus 2. So factor it out, we have t plus 2 into bracket. So what we're going to have next, when you factor out t plus 2, we're going to have t minus 2. This t minus 2, and this minus sign here, and here we're going to have t squared into bracket minus 2t plus 4 into bracket, everything equals 0. Now let's add this up. So here we have t plus 2 into bracket. So we have here t minus 2. So opening this bracket with the negative sign, we're going to have minus t squared plus 2t minus 4 into bracket equals 0. So we have t plus 2 into bracket. Here now, adding up the common terms, we have minus 2t squared. Here we are going to have plus 3t. We are going to have minus 6 equals 0. Now this implies that t plus 2 is equal to 0, and also minus t squared plus 3t minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let's first look for the first value of t. From here, collecting like this, we have t to be equals to minus 2. So this is the first value of t. Now let's look for this second and third value of t using the quadratic formula, which is given by t equals minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. We know that to indicate the value of a, b, and c from this quadratic equation, here now the coefficient here is minus 1, right? So a is equals to minus 1. So here the coefficient here is plus 3. So here we have b to be equals to 3. And here we have minus 6. So the value of c is equals to minus 6. Substituting the parameters into this formula, we have t to be equals to minus b, which is minus 3, plus or minus root b squared, which is 3 squared, which is going to give us 9, minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 6. This is going to give us minus 24, right? All divided by 2 multiplied by a, which is minus 1, which is going to give us minus 2. So we have the value of t to be equals to minus 3 plus or minus root. So here we're going to have minus 15 all divided by minus 2. So we have a root of negative number. Now, noting that we can write this as minus 3 plus or minus root 15 multiplied by root negative 1 using the property of surd, right? All divided by minus 2. Now, we are going to get a complex solution for t here, a complex solution of values for t. So root of negative 1 is the same thing as this symbol called iota. Therefore, we are going to substitute that here. We have t to be equals to minus 3 plus or minus root 15 iota. Now all divided by minus 2. So therefore the second and third value of t is going to be given by minus 3 divided by minus 2. Here we have plus, we have root 15 iota. This is the second value of t. And the third value of t is going to be minus 3 minus root 15 iota divided by minus 2. And there, don't forget, you can see cancel out the minus sign if you wishes by leaving your answer in the form 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 minus root 15 iota divided by 2. And here you can leave your answer as 3 divided by 2 plus root 15 iota divided by 2. So we are done. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.